Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a sequence diagram on Draw.io in 2026. So let us guide you through this. In the first step, navigate to Diagram Project on Draw.io. In the next step, select the page view at the bottom. And after that, what you want to do is expand the UML tab here on the left hand side. Here under UML you'll find all the elements that are needed for a sequence diagram. As you can see, I created an example diagram here. Let me remove it and start with a new one. It depends on your case, of course, what you would like to include and represent in your sequence diagram. I, for the sake of this tutorial, will go with two external actors, 1 and 2, and make them the start and the end point of our sequence. Here, one to the left and one to the right, and add steps of the sequence in between here and connect each element with each other afterwards to create a sequence from one element to the other. This is how you can do it, guys. Select the element you would like to include in your sequence here. Under the UML elements, it may, for example, be a boundary object, an entity object, an activity. It depends on your case and what you would like to represent in your sequence. I will go with 3 different activities for the sequence. So we add the first activity, position it here. You don't need to do this, but I am going to delete that connector here by left clicking into it. And after that, simply use these custom connectors here to connect each step of the sequence. So what you want to do is connect the start point with your first section. To do that, click into your start point and use that connector here and connect it with your first step. And do the same with step 1 to step 2. Of course, you will need to create step 2 first. So press Ctrl C, Ctrl V to copy it and position it here. And do the same with step number 3. So that's our steps of the sequence. And now connect each step with the next one using these custom connectors. Click into it. Click into the arrow connector here and connect it with the following element, in this case here with the endpoint. Wait till the destination element is highlighted like that, so that these are connected. Now, of course, you can customize and edit each of these steps. You can customize the text, for instance, resize it, add more relations here or connections. And that's basically it, guys. That's how a sequence diagram looks like on Draw.io. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.